I want to show you something. There are some people about here, them are liar and wicked. Enough of them big money up online, them wicked and lie. Can't trust them. How it go? Picture? How picture part go again? Some of them big money, you can't trust them. Not trust them at all. Alright, somebody help me read that text here because, and there is more text, right? Listen to me. There's a lot more information in my phone, but yesterday when time, them I say, this person is 24 years old and them I say the person say me never ask them no question, them are how much or what. But you see, because me know myself when time me there with a man, me always ask them what their favorite color, me always ask them if they have kids, me always ask them the age, right? Me always ask them age. You get me? So yesterday when time me hear say this person I go say me never ask them their age or their name, that was so weird for me because I love question people. You understand me? I have so much message. Me I go let go the message here because honestly, me not like wicked people and liar people. And I realize that enough of uno out there willing for buy into that liar where that boy I tell. But remember, me I go left him to him next victim. There gonna be a next victim for that boy. You see man will love sugar mama? YouTube. You see boy will love sugar mama? Remember me tell you, say boy will love sweet and not like work? Watch what gonna happen. Read the message carefully, guys. Ready? Guys, read the message carefully, please. I'm asking, no. Read the message carefully. Ready? Ready. And to be honest, I was not joking. Alright. I met my baby mother when she was 33 and my daughter is 3 now. I am 27. Check that, babe. Now remember, him said she, that is him baby mother, is 33 years old. And my daughter is 3 now. I'm 27. Right? I have more message for you. I have all it more message for you. All it more. I have so much more message for you guys. So much more. You saw no look for me yesterday and tell me say me Annie. Me Annie. When I tell me say a boy I say the boy that ranking boy that way me have to force a beard can go turn up and tell you beard them skin and them something that this no me know say it was a ranking boy. It was a boy. Everybody no, you not read good. No, me I one way dance. You not read good. No, him didn't run joke. We didn't run joke. We were running some joke. If you understand the text, we didn't run the joke before. Right? But read the text and him I said, him baby mother, right? 33, him get him daughter. And now he is 27 years old. You not read it? It was running a joke, but me still want to find out him age. Cause I remember saying, they on social media with me, and people are saying, Annie, him young. Good morning, baby, him young. And that text, go back again. I want you to read the text, understand. Right? I want you to understand. Right? Come. Understand. Read the text. Read the text. Right here was joking. When I said 42, we was joking, so I try to say my 42, because we try to run some jokes. And when him say my 42, I say me a 60. Right? But this one now is said you joke him and make her because whatever hearing come down here and said I met my baby mother when she was 33 and my daughter is 3 years old, right? No, I am 27. Check that, babe. A drunker. As some early me have to cause a thinking dog. Why you not give your mama him? Why you not can go get to your mama? Can go get to your thinking mama. No fuck yourself with me, sir. But one back, hey girl, move from me, sir, you know. Ramp with me here. Say if you ever played me that type of way, they watch and see. Me I show me people them. You know me not understand when you say me come here, so me I try show you something. When I come with some bag of stupidness, right? A ceiling on the face. Me I show you something, right? You can't see the background with me and the man say this some me and him takes. But you still can't understand that no. Here, baby, morning. On that dumb and naive, not true. Eh? On a dumb, naive. On a just really want something for run with. Not true. Thank you. I block them. I block them.